Yeah, so hello guys. Some of you guys are facing issue like you have a image widget and you set its width and height, but when you are in the viewport, it's changing according to the viewport size. It's not it's not have a constant width and height. So for fixing this issue, you just need to do some steps like you just need to drag this image inside a size box, and then in the size box what you need to do is you need to take the viewport scale and divide with the width or height you want to assign. So let's say I want to assign its width and height to 400. So I just do 400 divided by get viewport scale, and the and we I can set the height and width of this size box, and we already put that image in the size box. So let's say now if we can play, see now it's the correct 400. So even if you resize the viewport, it's remain the same. So for blueprint, this could be done by this way, and if you want to do this in C++, then there is then you need this library, widget layout library. Under this you can use that get viewport scale from the namespace layout library. So from this you can do the same thing, and you can get your image height constant, and it's not dependent on viewport. Yeah, so thank you guys.